Welcome to Bike Shift, the hub for motorcycle lovers who crave performance, sound, design, and pure riding emotion. Today we take a closer look at a machine many riders have been waiting for, the 2026 Royal Enfield Continental GT 350. A motorcycle built to capture the heart of café racer culture, while offering a modern, refined, and thrilling 350 cubic centimeters riding experience. A first glance at the Continental GT 350 reveals nostalgia blended with new-age precision. The classic café racer stance, low clip-on handlebars, elongated fuel tank, minimalistic side panels, and retro chrome peaks instantly transport you to the golden era of racing streets. Royal Enfield has retained the raw café racer identity but refined it with sharper lines, premium paint finishes, lighter alloy wheels, and a sport-focused riding posture. This motorcycle doesn't just aim to look good, it aims to feel fast even when standing still. Every curve, every bolt, every surface speaks one language: speed with attitude. Underneath this timeless frame lies the heart of the machine, a 350 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine, tuned especially for punchy low-end torque and a smooth top-end pull. The GT 350 is expected to deliver responsive acceleration, making city streets enjoyable and open highways thrilling. The signature Royal Enfield thump is still present, but now more refined, crisp, and rhythmical. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox, riders can expect cleaner shifts, quicker power delivery, and a ride that feels far more modern while retaining old-school charm. This bike invites you to stretch forward, grip the tank, and become one with the road. Performance means nothing without control, and the Continental GT 350 takes that seriously. A dual-cradle chassis offers rigidity and stability, while telescopic front forks and gas-charged rear suspension keep the bike composed over corners and uneven surfaces. Whether carving through mountain curves or cruising through bustling city lanes, the GT 350 aims to deliver confidence and connection. Disc brakes with dual-channel ABS add dependable stopping power, ensuring safety without compromising thrill. The bike remains light, agile, and eager, designed for riders who crave involvement in every movement. Even with its vintage appeal, the Continental GT 350 embraces modern needs. A digital analog speed console, Bluetooth-enabled navigation, slipper clutch, and multiple ride modes bring a refreshing layer of convenience. LED lighting, improved fuel efficiency, and refined exhaust ergonomics round out a package built for both practical commuting and adventurous weekend rides. The 2026 Royal Enfield Continental GT 350 is more than a motorcycle, it's a feeling. A tribute to café racer heritage, crafted for riders who believe riding isn't just transport, but expression. It merges tradition with technology, nostalgia with modern engineering, and soul with speed. If you're a rider who loves style, performance, and character in one tight frame, this machine is built for you. This is Bike Shift, signing off. Stay tuned for more exciting bike breakdowns, updates, and future releases.